Hello students, today we are going to learn about the important functions of the liver. So liver secretes bile juice. Bile juice consists of bile pigments and bile salts. So these you have to remember one thing, the bile juice doesn't contain any enzymes. So this is very important. All the digestive glands secrete enzymes except liver. So it may be asked in competitive exams and your inter exams also. So the important functions of liver: number one, liver secretes bile juice, which is useful for the emulsification of fats. So emulsification is nothing but the breakdown of the larger molecules of the fats into smaller molecules. That is known as emulsification. Next, liver plays an important role in carbohydrate metabolism. So, can you tell me one or two carbohydrates? Yeah, sugars are carbohydrates. Glucose, fructose, galactose, all these are the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are differentiated into simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. Okay, so the metabolism of carbohydrates. Liver plays an important role in the metabolism of carbohydrates. The conversion of glucose into glycogen is known as glycogenation. So those functions are known as metabolic functions. So conversion of glucose into glycogen, or conversion of glycogen into glucose, conversion of fats into glucose, that is known as gluconeogenesis. So glucose is formed from other molecules apart from carbohydrates. That is known as gluconeo. Neo means new. So fats are not the usually fats doesn't produce glucose, but in the special cases fats are converted into glucose. That process is known as gluconeogenesis. So all these functions are under the control of liver, and liver also plays important role in lipid metabolism. So for lipid metabolism also liver is necessary. So it deaminates proteins. So proteins contains building blocks which are known as amino acids. Amino acids contains nitro groups. So the removal of nitrogen groups, NH2 group, is known as deamination. So that process occurs in the liver. And next one, it also act as a detoxification organ. What is meant by detoxification? Toxin means poisonous, harmful material. So liver act as a detoxification. It removes the toxins from the body. So that's why the patients who consume alcohol, so alcohol is a toxin for our body. So it goes to liver and their toxin, the alcohol, is removed. So for that reason, the persons who consume more alcohol, liver will be damaged, because liver act as a detoxification organ. So it removes toxin, that is alcohol. In that process liver also damages. If a person takes excess alcohol, అందుకే ఎక్కువ తాగే వాళ్ళలో మనకి లివర్ సిరోసిస్ అనేటువంటి వ్యాధి కనిపిస్తుంది. లివర్ సిరోసిస్ మీన్స్ డికేయింగ్ ఆఫ్ లివర్ సెల్స్. లివర్ సెల్స్ చనిపోతూ ఉంటాయి, పాడైపోతూ ఉంటాయి. సో దట్ ఈస్ నోన్ యాజ్ సిరోసిస్. So next, liver also act as a thermoregulatory organ. What is meant by thermoregulation? Thermos means temperature or heat. So it regulates the body temperature. So we are, all human beings are homotherms. Homotherms means we maintain certain constant body temperature. Do you know what is the temperature? Yes, 37 degrees centigrade or 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. So if the temperature reaches than 37 degrees centigrade, that situation we call as fever. Yes, fever. So whenever the temperature increases or decreases, it immediately notifies the information to the brain, and from the brain the signals come and cooling down or raising the temperature activities occurs in the body. In the same way, liver also act as a